Alright y'all, it's 2021 and we're revisiting an old video. We're making sauteed mushrooms today and we're starting out a little differently. This time around we're going to start off with some water in the pan. We'll call that a cup and a half. There's 1 pound of sliced mushrooms. Another pound of sliced mushrooms. And we're going to add a bit more water to that, another cup. Mushrooms take a long time to cook. And I like to start off with water. It's a technique we started doing last year and it really works out well because basically you can boil mushrooms all day if you want to. They're going to release a lot of their own water as well. Right about this point, I'm going to add just a pinch of kosher salt. I lied, I'm going to add 2 pinches. We'll add more later, but I want to get some salt into them now. Alright, this is going to be a long cook time, so I'm going to cut away, come back in about 10 minutes and show you the progress. Alright, James J. Reed, like, share, subscribe. Today we are cooking sauteed mushrooms with onion. Perfect accompaniment for a grilled steak. I'll catch you in the next clip, y'all. Peace. Alright, y'all. Just checking in on these mushrooms, and y'all, we're at the 10-minute mark and I wanted to show you what this looks like. I added about 3 cups of water to 2 pounds of sliced mushrooms and maybe a teaspoon of salt. And 10 minutes in, this is what it looks like. I've been keeping the fire going at a medium-high heat and it's been like a rolling boil. So I'm going to cut away. I'm going to come back at the 20-minute mark and I'm going to show you what's up. Once again, we are cooking sauteed mushrooms with onion today. Perfect accompaniment for a grilled steak or a grilled pork chop, even some grilled chicken. I'm going to cut away, come back in 10 more minutes. Think about hitting that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. I'll never charge you anything. And I won't sell your information to big data. Peace. I'll catch you in the next clip. Alright, y'all. According to my timer, we are 20 minutes in. And the majority of that water has cooked off. At this point, I'm going to add a little more seasoning. We're going to add 3 or 4 bay leaf. We're also going to grind some fresh black pepper into this. That's right, I bring my pepper grinder when I'm camping. Fresh pepper, fresh ground pepper, freaking awesome. This is to taste, so I just grind until I think it's enough. I'll probably add more later. One more thing at this point. I'm going to go ahead and add the fat, some olive oil. Probably about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, so when that water cooks away, the mushrooms will start frying in that oil. Alright, I just want to take a moment and tell y'all I love you so much, and thanks for checking out my videos and all your comments and everything. I'm just having fun cooking and camping and fishing. And maybe next fall I'll do some hunting. Alright y'all, I'm going to cut away, let that water cook out. I'm going to set another timer and come back in another 8 to 10 minutes. That'll probably be 10. So alright, I'm going to come back at the 30-minute mark and show y'all what's up. Go ahead and take the time to hit that subscribe button, please. Peace. I'll catch you in the next clip. Alright y'all, we're back. We're at the 30-minute mark. Almost all the water is gone from this pot. The mushrooms are starting to fry in that olive oil that I put in there. At this point, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Boom. That was my 10-minute timer. Also going to put a touch more olive oil in here. Mushrooms take a while to cook. At this point they're cooked, and now we're going to saute them in this flavorful fat, butter and olive oil. Alright y'all, I'm going to keep sauteing these for 10 more minutes, and I'm going to come back at the 40-minute mark and show you what they look like. James J. Reed. I'll catch you in the next clip. Peace. Alright y'all, we're back. We're at the 40-minute mark. The mushrooms are sauteing nicely. We're starting to get a little color on them. Now's the point where I'm going to add the onion, and they're going to be nicely caramelized by the time the mushrooms are done. What I have here one onion cut into half moons. You can put however many onions you like. I just have one on hand. And don't hesitate to try this at home on your stove. It's the same principle. You still want to cook it a long time. Alright, we're going to cut away. I'm going to come to you at the 40-minute mark and show you what is up. It's most likely it'll be done. We'll be serving it. Alright, like, share, subscribe. I'm James Reed. If you're watching YouTube, you love it, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. I'm going to cut away and I'll catch you in the next clip. Peace. All right, y'all, we're back. We are at the 50-minute mark. And it's time to taste and adjust seasoning. Oh, it's very good. I am going to add a little more salt and pepper. A little more kosher salt. And some fresh ground black pepper all over it. And the final step before we call it done is I've got some chopped parsley here. I like a lot of parsley. It's very flavorful and good. It's probably too much. And once you put that parsley in, you want to take it off the heat. Sauteed mushrooms, y'all. Wonderful. Peace out.